Welcome to the Cloud Institution. So today we will see how to install the Visual Studio Code on the Windows. Okay. So first step, we need to search for the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So once you search the Visual Studio Code on your web server, click on enter. Okay. So there is a link. These are the result you will get. Okay. So these are the result you will get. So click on the first link that you will get the Visual Studio Code, the code editing redefined. Okay. So click on this link. Once you click on this, there is this page will open. There are two options. There is a download option and also there is a download for the Windows. If you are trying to install the uh, Visual Studio Code on the Windows, you can directly click on this. Otherwise, if you are installing in the different operating system, you have to click on the download. So if I click on the download here, so there are different operating systems are there. So now I am trying to install in the Windows, means I'll click on the Windows. Okay. So once you click on the Windows, it will go for the download. Okay. So this file will get download. Once it get download, double click on that. Okay. So once you double click on this, so click on this pop-up will open. So once it is open, so click on the I accept the agreement. Okay. So click on the next, and here if you want to choose the different path, you can choose it here. Okay. So it where you want to install that path, you can choose it here. As of now, I'm just going with the by default. Okay. So click on the next, click on the next. Here if you want to create the desktop icon, you can check mark this. And also if you want to open with the, okay, so when you click right click on and if you want to open with any kind of folder with the open with, then you can add this one. It is not compulsory. You can add it as like optional. Okay. So as of now, I'm choosing this one. Okay. So click on the next. Okay. So again, come to install, click on the next. So once you click on the install, it will prepare for to installation. Okay. So let's wait for to installation process get to complete. Okay. Okay. So once it is done, so this pop-up will be there. So here, if you want to click on like if you want to be stayed on launch with Visual Studio Code, you can check mark this. Otherwise, you can uncheck mark this. So what if you go for the launch Visual Studio Code, means once you click on the finish, it will open the Visual Studio Code window. Okay. So if you don't click on this, if you don't check mark this, you have to manually search. Once it is finished, you have to manually search in the Windows search bar Visual Studio Code. So here, if I click on the launch Visual Studio Code, so if I click on the finish, so it will open the Visual Studio Code like this. Okay. So this is how it will be. Okay. So this is the Visual Studio is installed. Okay. I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you understood how to install the Visual Studio Code in the Windows. Thank you for watching.